Let me take you now to a journey in this time in Fortunato, up in the mountain of La Paz. This is the start of my walk, seeing people, family, walking, riding. This is the first day of class, June 16, 2025. As I made my first stop in a chapel, I passed by to see a group of children with their mother gathering and preparing to go to the school. Just imagine their school is far. Another group of family, a mother with three children going to their kaingin. A father who walks, an old lady, attending to her animal that would help her carry all the burdens coming from, and habal-habal driver struggling to pass by the muddy road. Cannot imagine this kind of hardship, but still the journey continues, like a student continues to walk through up in the mountain, in the valleys. Life never ceases to stop, but sometimes we need to stop in order to find more meaning and directions that would lead us to our destinations. In this way, we would really journey and ask the guidance of God. The guidance we're in taking care of plants, trees, and the farm. It's all part of being stewards of God's creation, taking care amidst all the challenges of the animals, of the pests, and of environmental degradation. As evident here in Zambales mining, we see again a group of family, a mother and three children, passing by the old mining site of Zambales. You can see the vast trees. But here in this arid land, after so many years and open pit mining, no trees are growing. But there's always hope with the trees. Now with this guy, this De La Cruz, Atanod, he almost spent almost 3 hours conversing with me, with a joy, with a very inquisitive, inquiring. He keeps on asking, he keeps on expressing his concern. He had 7 children, unfortunately married so young, but he expressed how hard he worked for his family, to provide for his family, to bring his family to safety always. Like